dare you?
Hey, today I'm going to show you how to put Z-71 badges on your truck. These are the ones you get off eBay or Amazon. They're pretty cheap. These are $20. What you're going to need is to wash your truck first. Then you're going to need a microfiber cloth or paper towel. I used some brake clean, and then I cleaned it off again with FW1 cleaning wax. I really like that stuff. Seems to work really good. I already got one on there. This truck used to have the Z-71 decal on the old box. You know, the kind that's like right back here. But this style is on the newer trucks, and I've always liked these ones. So I got this one on here. Now I'm going to show you how to install them with the other one on that side. So after you get the area real clean that you're going to put that on, you got to take this blue stuff off the back. Yeah, so this stuff just peels off here like so. Now we got that off. Then there's this glue, sticky stuff on the other side there. Then you just figure out how to line it up the way you want. Okay, now once you have it where you want it to go, I use two hands on the other one, so I'll probably put the camera down, but you gotta put some pressure on here to make sure it's gonna stick real good. There, got that done, and yeah, I really like the way that looks. That looks really nice. The red kind of matches the lift parts that I gotta polish off again here. Yeah, there we go. So that's how you do that.